Welcome to our English channel. We aim to make everyone enjoy our English learning journey. Join us to improve your listening and speaking skills and learn easy and useful phrases for daily life. So, have fun in our English learning journey. In today's story, Emily will share daily conversations with her best friend Bonnie. Listen carefully. My 45 questions with Bonnie.
My friends, it's Emily. Last time I shared my makeup routine with you. Today, I am going to tell you all about my daily conversation with my friend, Bonnie.
Bonnie, this is gorgeous.
Hey, Emily.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Thank you for making the time to do 45 questions.
Thank you, and welcome to my garden.
You have a beautiful garden indeed. What are you growing in this garden?
We have all kinds of lettuce. We have some tomatoes that are starting to come up over here. We have some beautiful cucumbers, squash and carrots. It's an abundance.
It's so lush and looks great. What is a go-to recipe that you're excited about?
Well, lately I've been using all this gorgeous lettuce. So, lots of salads with delicious proteins and really cooking from the land.
Delicious. What healthy foods did you introduce to your friends?
Kind of healthier soda and vitamin C. Now, I'm bringing you some of the flowers.
Wow, thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
I love flowers.
Hey, Emily, I got something for you. Come on.
Oh, great. Wow, look at this. You are just treating me right now.
Come on over here.
Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this view. Bonnie, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you enjoying this?
25.
Sure. What do you find yourself doing a lot these days?
Playing tennis.
What's your current obsession?
Playing tennis.
Next, what do you do on your days off?
Hang out with my friends.
Can you make any prediction about anything exactly 1 year from now?
I think I'll be doing a lot of traveling.
Where's your favorite place to visit in the world?
Europe.
What specific thing do you love the most about Europe?
The people.
What's the most enjoyable activity when you're in Europe?
Trying out a new restaurant.
Out of all the hobbies in the world, what's one hobby that you'll never give up?
Dancing.
What's one hobby that you plan on picking up?
Learning new languages.
When do you feel the most creative?
When I'm sad.
All right, what's your favorite song to blast in the car?
That's what I like, Bruno Mars.
If you had to choose another career, what would you be doing?
I would be a chef.
What do you have left on your bucket list?
I want to travel around the world.
Now, do you want to go outside?
Love to. Hang on, let me grab something real quick.
Okay. So Bonnie, what is your favorite outfit?
Probably something really simple, like jean shorts or white jeans and a nice sweater, a button down.
If you could give your style a name, what would it be?
Classic, but with a twist.
What's the best beauty advice that your mom ever gave you?
Probably to keep it simple.
What scares you the most?
Losing someone I love.
What's the one thing you can never live without?
My family.
Who do you look up to most in life?
My mom.
What's the best piece of advice you've received from your mom?
Treat others how you wish to be treated.
What's a good rule you've learned from your parents?
Everyone is equal and everything happens for a reason.
Next, what advice would you give your 15-year-old self?
Go ahead and do it, 'cause you're gonna do it anyway.
What's something you know now that you didn't know then?
Patience.
And what advice did your dad give you that you still live by?
To always tell the truth.
What piece of jewelry from your family is most special to you?
Probably the engagement ring that my father gave my mother and then she gave to me.
Favorite Coldplay song?
Life is for living.
And what's the most simple wellness advice that anyone can follow?
Quiet the mind.
Super important. Great, let's sneak off and see some more.
Come with me.
Right. Well, there's a thing that's helping with mood is this beautiful, beautiful view. Look at this. This is incredible.
Oh, thank you.
And you've been coming here for how many years?
About 5 years ago, I bought a house there.
It's beautiful. And what's changed the most in this time?
It's become very popular.
What's the biggest surprise you've ever had?
A romantic dinner on a rooftop.
What TV show have you binge-watched these days?
Friends.
What's the last movie that made you cry?
A Man Called Ove.
What's a movie you could watch over and over again?
Flipped.
All right. What was your favorite movie as a kid?
Tangled.
And what's the most valuable advice that your best friend has given you?
When you have a problem, you got to try 1,000 things 1,000 times.
That's good advice. And what is your relationship with the word ambitious now?
I think it's a good word, especially for women to embrace.
All right. What's your favorite thing about your mom?
Her laugh.
What's the coolest thing about your family?
How good we are at arguing.
In general, when do you feel most beautiful?
When I'm with the people I love.
And last question, I believe. We're on question number 45 if I'm counting correctly. What is one sliding doors moment in your life that you still think about today?
I suppose when I jump out of something.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you. Do you want to have a little more salad with me?
I'm all yours.
Fantastic.
Now there you have it. My 45 questions with Bonnie. I hope my daily conversation with Bonnie helps you level up your English skills.
Well done in our English lesson today. Keep it up, learning more simple and practical phrases for daily life and improving your listening and speaking skills day by day. So don't wait. Join us and subscribe to our channel for a fun-filled English learning journey.